Hi, this is Kristen. Today I'm going to show you how to log time directly on a task. So let's say that you've gone to your dashboard here and that you finished this work. You can do a few things to record the time. First, you can hit these three dots, add activity. That's going to pull up the notepad and you can list what you've done. And then you can also go ahead and enter the time directly on the bottom here. So let's say I spent an hour, I would put an hour in here, and then all I need to do is properly categorize what I've done. And then you want to make sure that it's properly against the right milestone. Okay, so this would be the appropriate way to log time on a task right here. This is what, after I've done configuring, this is what I've done. So I've either hit those three buttons here, or I've gone, so you can hit these three buttons and do it this way, or I can go directly into the task and log my time this way. Or perhaps before I started, I hit the timer and now I'm ready to complete that work. And in such case, the timer will pull open with my time, and then the same rules apply. I'm going to categorize it, I'm going to properly put it against the right milestone, and I'm going to hit save. So those are the two ways to record time on a task. Now, if you went directly into the project, you could just pull open that task and log time against it. So I could just pull open the task, log time against it, or I could hit log time here. The only thing is if you're going to hit log time on the project record, you must categorize it down into the appropriate milestone. That way, the time is going to deduct from the milestone appropriately. Okay, so a few things. You can do it from the task itself, directly from my task. So you can do it by drilling in, by hitting these three dots, or so you can do it here, start timers, log time. But if you're going to do it from the main project and not the task, if you're going to do it from here, you must properly, if there is no task, for instance, and you just need a straight log time, please make sure you put it against the appropriate milestone. Okay, so we've talked a few ways on how to log time for meetings, how to log time for against task. Always make sure that if there is no task and you're hitting log time up here, that it's categorized to the right milestone. But in all honesty, it's best just to record everything on a created task if there is one and log time that way. Okay, thanks. Let us know if you have questions.